Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a cute Clefairy from Pokemon. We're going to start with a big circle in the middle of the page. Make it really big. Like so. Once you're done with that, we're going to add in a circle in the middle. This is going to be for the hair. Around 1.5 inches big. And then we're going to do two similar sized circles, but almost oval shape for the feet on either side. The body. Take your time with those. And then we need the arms. The arms are going to be right around here, and we're just going to draw a line out, like so. And cap it. Same on the other side. Out. And cap it. And the final piece is the ears, so we're going to go out, back in, out, back in for the ears. I'll give you some time to finish these steps, and we're going to move over to markering. To start off the markering phase, we're going to draw in two cute eyes. They're just going to be these big oval eyes in the middle of the page. Once you're done with these ovals, we're going to add in two highlights. And then just fill in the bottom part with black. Once your eyes are done, we're just going to add a little cute smile. And then two blush marks, which is going to be these oval shapes on the outside. Once you're done with the face, let's draw in the hairstyle. We're going to start with the big circle, just using the ink lines or the pencil line you did earlier, and just follow it. And then we're going to add a swirl in the middle. To this point. And with that done, we're going to just draw in the ears by following the sketch lines. Like so. And then we're going to split the ear right there. Once you're done with the right ear, we're going to do the left ear the same way. We're going to go out and down, and then cap the ear around the same spot. And then now we just need to draw out the arms on both sides. Then let's give it a little area for the white paws. Once you're done with that, let's just draw in the sides of the body. And then let's draw in the feet. We're going to follow these ovals. And once the ovals are done, we're just going to cap off the toes. And then finish it off by drawing in the bottom. Once you're done with those steps, we're just going to erase our lines. Let's add some color quick. And there you have it, your cute Clefairy drawing. If you have suggestions for any other Pokemon, please leave in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.